Hello my dear friend, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bring new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Anyweed. Anyweed guys, amazing project. So we discuss more detail about this project. Anyweed now live on XRLPL. So guys, you can join our community now. So guys, you can click here and see this Anyweed official Telegram group chat community is open. Anyweed on XRPL 122 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group and see this more important update about this project. You can check here partnership link. You can see this official Twitter page link, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here follow us on Twitter page. So guys, you can click this button follow us on Twitter page. Then guys, you can check here official Twitter page is open. Anyweed on XRPL Weed, you can follow this and you can check here contract status of this project. You can see this official Telegram group chat community link. You can check here xrp.cafe collection link. You can see this, and that guy you can check here Anyweed official website link. You can check here now, and that guy you can check here all posts about this project Anyweed on XRPL Weed. You can check here retirement partnership announcement detail. You can see this all detail. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here, you can scroll down and see that you can play the sound of this project. And next guys, you can check here roadmap of this project. Roadmap: phase 1 token launch, NFT v1 sticker pack, website. Phase 2 website update, TikTok meme combs, NFT v2. Phase 3 partnerships, marketing, white paper, NFT v3. Phase 4 NFT stacking, NFT v4. Phase 5 the journey continues. And next guys, we go to this project with Daskrina details. So guys, you can go to Daskrina. You can see this Anyweed Daskrina page is open. You can check here Weed price on XRPL. In Daskrina you can see this price up and down. So guys, you can get profit, huge profit now through this project Weed. You can check here official website, Twitter, Telegram link here. You can check here price USD $0.006273. You can check here market cap amount $5.0k. You can check here liquidity $3.9k. You can check here buy zero sales to buy volume, sale volume. You can check here, and next guy you can see that you can trade Weed on XRPL. You can click this, then page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect wallet now. Then you can see this price chart of Weed on XRP. You can check here price XRP $0.00203 price XRP. And next guy we discuss how to buy and sell. So guys, first of all, you can connect your wallet. If you want to sell Weed, then you can enter your Weed amount. For example, I enter Weed amount 400, then you can receive XRP now. If you want to buy Weed, then you can click here and enter your XRP amount. For example, I enter XRP amount 100, then you can receive Weed now. And next we back to the home page and see this more detail about this project. And next we go to this project NFT collections, NFT Moon Buddy collection. So guys, you can click this and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here page is open xrp.cafe NFT collections Anyweed Weed Moon Buddies collections. So guys, you can check here Moon Buddy collection, exploring the cosmos on one bud at a time. Floor 50.0 XRP, atoms 52, total volume 50.0 XRP, holders 7, listed 61.53%. And next we go to this project Weed NFT collection. Then you can discuss you can this price, and you can buy now. You can check here Cosmic Chill 50 XRP price. You can buy now. You can click here, then you can buy now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet now. Then you can purchase XRP. Then you can buy NFT. You can check here Cosmic Dust price 50 XRP, Green Comet 50 XRP. You can see this. You can scroll down and see this all NFT. So guys, you can buy any NFT. You can check here our collections detail. You can click this and see this collection states, create airdrop. Guys, you can check here, and then you can search here all collection. Then you can receive any collection. Then you can buy now. And next we back to the homepage. Guys, this project Wheat Token is a cryptocurrency project dedicated to the emerging blockchain innovation with the cannabis culture. This project built on XRPL. Wheat offers fast, eco-friendly and secure transaction while serving as a symbol of a thriving and inclusive community. And so guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.